To my channel. Today I'm opening some random items, 3 blind boxes and one little, I think it was like platter that I purchased. Let's move these around. So I picked up this platter in a recent toy shopping haul. I believe I purchased the Hello Kitty platter, and my thought was to keep my jewelry in it. So yeah, so I picked this up, and my thought was to put it on my dresser to keep like my jewelry, like my earrings and stuff on it. So that is why I purchased that. I picked up this blind box in my January haul. This is Monologue in the Land of Oz by Lilith. There are 8 different designs that you can, well, 10 altogether with the secrets that you could possibly get. I believe that I have received one of the secrets in a previous box. And I just decided to take a chance on buying another one to see if I could get another figurine I liked. So, alright, so I think this was the one I was looking for. Let me get out the card. Oh, actually, let's tear it off. So, I guess she stands on a little stage. Oh, there's other pieces, is there? Oh, I guess there's a stage you can build out if you get particular pieces. If you got the whole set, and this would be the background. So if you got all 10 characters, I guess you would get all the pieces of the background. Yeah, so that is Dorothy with Toto. Toto kind of looks like a cat, but that's Dorothy. I don't remember a background coming with my other one. And I'm pretty sure I got the secret. So that's interesting. Okay. These Misya dolls band kept coming up in my For You page on Amazon, so I decided to pick up 2 of these. So there's 6 different designs plus 2 hidden. You can get different members of the band. So lead singer is always cool. Drummer would be cool, but we'll see what we get. I expect these figurines to be a little bit bigger than my other ones. Did I got singer? Yeah. So I got lead singer. Oh, she's cute. Alright, so it's a good thing I didn't look at her accessories. I would have known exactly who she was. Alright, so you have your cards here. So it is lead singer. And I guess if you scan that, something will happen. So she has a little microphone stand. It's Misya Idol Span. That's what it is, not doll span, idol span. And yeah, she stands on her stand like that. It's actually quite cute. Like, I wasn't really expecting I was gonna get my first choice, but cool. Oh, that didn't work. Is this Performer? Might be Performer. Let's see what the accessories are. Yeah, I think this is Performer. So you got Performer there. That is Performer. So I wasn't planning on buying any more of these. This was kind of on a whim. But these are actually quite nice. And the size is much larger than my other figurines. Yeah, I might have to think about that. Because these weren't too bad in price either. And I think I actually got them when they were on a deal. So yeah, so that, I might be saying the name wrong. Oh, I knocked it out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fiddle with this violin to get it quite right. It's Misya Idol's band. Like, if I'm thinking about it, do I want the drummers that bad? I still may want the drummer. Maybe not DJ the disc jockey. Maybe not electronic drum beyond the, I mean, she's a brown girl, so I always want the brown girls, but I don't know if I would like the look of it, the style of it. And then there's guitarist and lute. I mean, these were the two main ones I wanted, so I don't know if I'll buy anymore. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. But these are actually like much, much nicer than I expected them to be. So yeah, so that's everything in this little unboxing. I'll turn these way so you can see it. Just everything in this unboxing. Yeah, like I said, I feel like I already have one in this collection, but it must have been a secret, but I have to go double check. And yeah, as always, thank you for spending time with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.